সব লেটেস্ট আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের চ্যানেলে আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না।
কৃষি বিল নিয়ে বিক্ষোভের জেরে তৃণমূলের ডেরেক ও ব্রায়ান সহ রাজ্যসভার 8 জন সাংসদকে সোমবার সাসপেন্ড করা হয়, কিন্তু এরপর এদিন রাজ্যসভা চেয়ারম্যান ভেঙ্কাইয়া নাইডুর নির্দেশ উপেক্ষা করেই অধিবেশন কক্ষে পৌঁছে সাসপেন্ড সংসদ সদস্যরা। এমনকি সভাকক্ষ ত্যাগ করতেও রাজি হননি তারা, ফলে এদিনও ফের উত্তেজনা তৈরি হয় সংসদের উচ্চ কক্ষে। রবিবার রাজ্যসভার ওই বিল পেশের পর সাম্প্রতিককালের বিক্ষোভ হয়। সাসপেনশনের তালিকায় তৃণমূলের সাংসদ দোলা সেনও রয়েছে, তাদের অধিবেশনের বাকি সময়ের জন্য সাসপেন্ড করা হয়। তালিকায় রয়েছে কংগ্রেসের রাজীব সাতব, রিপুন বরা সহ 3 সাংসদ, আম আদমি পার্টির 1 জন এবং সিপিএম এর কে রাগেশ সহ 2 সাংসদকেও সাসপেন্ড করা হয়েছে। পাশাপাশি রাজ্যসভার ডেপুটি চেয়ারম্যান হরিবংশ নারায়ণ সিং এর বিরুদ্ধে অনাস্থা প্রস্তাবটিও খারিজ হয়ে গিয়েছে। তৃণমূল ওই সিদ্ধান্তকে গণতান্ত্রিক অধিকার খর্ব করা বলে বর্ণনা করেছে। ডেরেক দোলার সঙ্গে এদিন ভেঙ্কাইয়ার বদানুবোধ হয়েছে। সাসপেন্ড সংসদের বিরুদ্ধে ডেপুটি চেয়ারম্যানকে শারীরিকভাবে নিগ্রহের অভিযোগ করেন ভেঙ্কাইয়া। তিনি বলেন, এই ঘটনায় আমি গভীরভাবে মর্মাহত। ধ্বনি ভোটে জোড়া কৃষি বিল পাশ এবং 8 সাংসদের সাসপেন্ডের ঘটনার জেরে বিরোধীরা রাষ্ট্রপতি রামনাথ কোবিন্দের দ্বারস্থ হতে পারেন বলে এদিন জানা গিয়েছে। এদিন রাজ্যসভার চেয়ারম্যান ভেঙ্কাইয়া ওই শাস্তির বিষয়টি ঘোষণা করেন। ডেপুটি চেয়ারম্যানের বিরুদ্ধে আনা অনাস্থা প্রস্তাবটি খারিজ করার পাশাপাশি তিনি বলেন, ওই সাংসদরা সামগ্রিকভাবে সভার অসম্মান করেছে, ডেপুটি চেয়ারম্যানকে লক্ষ্য করে কটু মন্তব্য করেছেন, তাই সংসদের অধিবেশনের বাকি সময়ের জন্য তাদের সাসপেন্ড করা হচ্ছে। এরপর 8 ঘন্টার জন্য রাজ্যসভার অধিবেশনে মুলতবি করে দেওয়া হয়। উল্লেখ্য, সভায় ধস্তাধস্তির সময় ডেরেককে চিৎকার করে বলতে শোনা যায়, এ হতে পারে না। গোলমালের সময় ডেরেক বলেছিলেন, সরকার সংসদীয় গণতন্ত্রকে হত্যা করেছে, সংসদে যাবতীয় আইন ভেঙেছে। তারা কি আশা করে এরপরও বিরোধীরা সেটা বসে বসে দেখবে?
Pained yesterday, all social distancing and COVID-19 related precautions were violated by some members in the House yesterday. It pained me a lot because of what happened yesterday defies logic. It was really a bad day for Rajya Sabha. Though, please, it's a bad day for Rajya Sabha. Yeah, and then it's a very bad day for the Rajya Sabha. Some members came to the well of the house. They also throwed papers. They have wrenched the mic of the deputy chairman. They have hurled some papers on the deputy chairman. They abused the deputy chairman also, according to the deputy chairman. And then there was lot of rule book also was thrown on him. Some of the please sit down. This is not the way. You have no right to obstruct the chairman. You are obstructing even the chairman also. That's an indication of what has been done earlier. Some of the members also accepted outside also. Yes, they did it, and getting onto that table, dancing in the house, and also obstructing the business of the house. This is very unfortunate, it unacceptable, and also condemnable. It tarnishes the, no point of order on chairman's this thing, please sit down. It tarnishes the image of parliament, particularly the elders' house. So climbing on the bench, dancing, shouting in the well, tearing papers, breaking the mics, obstructing deputy chairman from his duties, throwing papers, rule book on deputy chairman. Is it a parliamentary standard? I only suggest to the members of parliament, please do some introspection. And is it the way to conduct ourselves? You please sit down. Mr. Derek, you please sit down. Derek, I have to name you. Yes, I am naming Mr. Derek O'Brien. Please go out of the house. So, if marshals were not called on time, what would have happened to the deputy chairman? I am worried. He says he was abused with objectionable words. These are all very unfortunate. These should not be allowed. If you have any problem, the only way is discuss, debate, and decide. If you have the numbers, vote against the resolution. And also the deputy chairman said, you please go to your seats. I will conduct voting. He said it, it's on record. It is shown all over. So, that being the case, I suggest to the members, please, we are giving advice to the general public. We ourselves do not practice safe distance. Do not follow what has been advised. This is really very unfortunate and condemnable. These incidents are on record. No point of order, and the chairman is on his legs. Please, the deputy chairman was physically threatened. So I am worried. He would have been harmed also. Keeping that in mind, the government want to move a resolution, they will do it. But I have to make an observation. Please sit down. I have received a letter. I will not allow till I complete. Please sit down. You are not sitting. You are not following the chairman's even directions or the chairman's advice also. And then want to shout. I have received a letter from leaders of the opposition, and 46 members, urging thereby a motion of no confidence against the deputy chairman, and alleging that while conducting a proceeding in the House yesterday, he had violated the established parliamentary procedure and norms during the... What? There is no need to say yes or no. I don't need your permission. If you don't want to follow rules, if you don't want to respect the chair, then I leave it to you. Really a very bad day for democracy. He has violated, is this a rule? Sitting and making commentary without permission of the chair? What are you trying to teach me? Please don't do that. Dancing on the table, throwing papers. This will not go on record. Anything unauthorized is said by anybody will not go on record. You have been named. You have to go out. You must know how to follow this thing. I have received a letter. And then they say during the passing of the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. They have expressed no confidence against the Honorable Deputy Chairman desire to move a motion for this removal. I have gone through this entire proceedings of the House held yesterday in the light of the allegations made by leader of the opposition and other members, and observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seats and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption of the House, the division could not have taken place. In view of the continuous disruption of the House, see, you are seeing now. If anybody has missed yesterday, you can see it today. And observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seat and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption in the House, and the division could not have taken place, as I explained to you earlier. Certainly, the conduct of some members was grossly crossed all the barriers of parliamentary decorum and etiquettes, and thereby bringing down the prestige of the House. After carefully going through the provisions of the Constitution, rules of Rajya Sabha and past precedents, I have observed that at the outset that the motion is not in proper format. Further, as per the provisions of the Article 90C of the Constitution, a notice period of 14 days is required for moving a resolution, not a motion. As the House is going to be adjourned Saturday on 1st 2020 as per the present schedule, notice does not complete the required period of 14 days. Hence I rule that the motion given by the LOP and other members is not admissible. Then the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, he want to move a resolution. Please.
Sir, I move that the following members be suspended from the services of
This is not the way. Please sit down.
for a period
You have been named. You
for
can't
the
speak.
remaining part of the current session for their unruly behavior, especially with the chair, and their gross disorderly
People, I appeal to the
in my-
countrymen, people who have missed yesterday, they can witness today.
and their gross disorderly conduct in the violation of the rules and etiquettes of Rajya Sabha, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House and causing insult to the office of Honorable Deputy Chairman yesterday, that is the 20th September 2020. I name the following persons: Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satav, Shri K.K. Ragesh, Shri Syed Nasir Hussain, Shri Ripun Bora, Ms. Dola Sen, and Shri Elamaram Karim.
The motion has been moved. The question is the following members be suspended from the service of the House for a period of the remaining part of the current session of their unruly behavior, especially with the chair and their grossly disorder conduct, violation of the rules and etiquettes of the Rajya Sabha, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House and causing insult to the office of the Deputy Chairman yesterday. That is 2020. Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satov, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Syed Nazir Hussain, Sri Ripun Bora, Ms. Dora Sen, Sri Elamaram Karim. All these people have been named by the Minister, and those in favor will please raise their hands and say yes. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Thereafter, Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satov, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Syed Nazir Hussain, Ripun Bora, Ms. Dora Sen, Elamaram Karim are suspended for the period of 1 week for the remaining part of the current session.